Hey, welcome to Check Out the Rileys. This is our little half fridge deal, and it works okay for us, but has very low freezer space. It's very hard to make like ice and stuff in there. So, but good news. Papa has brought us a, let's see here, bigger fridge. Need to clean it up and stuff, but it was their old fridge. So, again, needs a little attention, but we're gonna put it in and clean it up and stuff. Nice size, nice and big comparatively. So we'll show it to you when we get it in there.
I'm gonna help clean.
You're gonna help clean?
Yes.
Are you excited about it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Here's Mama over here. She's cleaning out the fridge, getting it nice and clean for us.
Because it smells bad.
Because it's been sitting outside. There you go. We're gonna get this clean. Okay, we got it finished. So here it is. The fridge is installed in the house. We got it cleaned up and put stuff on top of it, some canned goods and stuff. So here is, we don't have much food because we just transferred what we had from the small fridge to this one. But there's the top. We're happy to have a couple of ice trays there. So we even froze some ice in it already. That's pretty awesome. We haven't had a way of making ice here yet. So there's the top. I don't know what all food Mercy has. But the bottom, the light is out or something, but here's the bottom. Mercy already cleaned it all out, and she did the outside, me and the boys did she did the inside and we did the outside. So. So there it is, all done. We have big chilling place. Alright, thank you guys for checking us out. Some of this stainage or whatever we couldn't get off, even though we scrubbed on it. It's like, where your hands hit all the time. But we'll live. Thank you guys for checking out the Rileys, and don't forget to comment, subscribe, share. Look at the beans. We got beans. Till next time, guys.